Hello, welcome to Indpro's technical series for understanding bulk solids handling products, part 4. I'm Ronak and today we'll have a look at the vibratory sieve and the importance of vibratory sieving in bulk solids handling. Vibratory sieves operate using a heavy-duty oscillatory motor that vibrates the entire structure, which is mounted on a spring-based platform. The complete structure can consist of a single or a multi-deck setup. These decks consist of different mesh-sized meshes which are used for size separation of bulk solids. These meshes come in various sizes and formats. We can offer a mesh size from 10 to 200 mesh in this setup for various applications. Mesh and micron are interchangeable terms that are used in screening technology, which are often confused, but they are meant to indicate the same thing. Mesh refers to the number of openings per square length, whereas micron is the absolute size which is used to denote the opening of every mesh square. The unit that we have with us here is a single deck model, which means there is only a single sieve present in this unit. This can also be configured with multi-sieve units, which can have multiple sieves stacked one on top of each other. Of course, the sieve that comes on the top will have the smallest mesh size, example 10 mesh. The next would have a higher mesh size, example 40 mesh, and the last would have an even higher mesh size, say 100 mesh. So you get a product classification of various particle sizes from each of the outlet of the vibratory sieve. The vibratory sieve also has quick release clamps which are used to disassemble the machine, either for removal of the screen, replacing of the screen, or cleaning of the screen, which is done in the following manner. We also have an easy opening hatch on the bottom, so once the machine is installed, if any setting changes need to be made to the vibratory motor, the knobs are opened from here, the door is opened and you can access the inside to make any setting changes on the vibratory motor. From the various outlets of the vibratory sifter, we also couple silicon flexibles at the outlet. So there is, in this case, there is one, but there could be multiple such outlets with silicon flexibles on the outside to isolate the vibrations from the vibratory sifter to the downstream or upstream equipment. The vibratory sifter with a single deck also comes with an anti-blinding mechanism, which is mounted on the bottom of the sieve, which essentially ensures that the mesh of the screen does not get blinded by cohesive products in them. Our vibratory sieves are used in various applications such as food, chemicals, plastic, and even pharmaceutical.
Stay tuned for more updates. Thank you for watching.